Did you know that there are numerous ways in which lemon juice can benefit your health? Vitamin C, B-complex vitamins, calcium, potassium, iron, magnesium, and fiber are just a few of the vitamins and nutrients that are abundant in lemons. Carefully mix the lemon juice with water before consuming or drinking. If lemon juice is consumed straight, it can be difficult on the teeth. Immediately after drinking it in the morning, wait 15 to 30 minutes before having breakfast. This will guarantee that you receive all the benefits of lemon water. Why should you consume lemon water? Here are some benefits. 1. Exceptional potassium source. Lemons are a terrific way to keep your heart, brain, and nerves healthy since they are packed with potassium. 2. Strengthens your immune system. Vitamin C, which is abundant in lemon juice, benefits your immune system. Additionally, stress causes a decline in vitamin C levels, therefore taking vitamin C is a smart idea on stressful days. 3. Purifies your body. Lemon juice supports healthy liver function by eliminating harmful substances from the body. 4. Promotes digestion. Lemon juice aids in the removal of toxins from the stomach and is therefore beneficial for digestion. Additionally, it lessens symptoms of indigestion such bloating, burping, and heartburn. 5. Prevents blemishes on your skin. Lemon juice's antioxidants will aid in reducing wrinkles and blemishes. Additionally, it can be applied to age spots and scars to brighten them. It will also maintain the radiance of your skin because it draws undesirable substances out of your blood. 6. Removes bad breath. Additionally, lemon juice can alleviate gingivitis and toothaches. Avoid brushing your teeth shortly after drinking lemon water since lemon juice is harsh on tooth enamel, or brush them just before. 7. Reduces inflammation. Regular use of lemon water will reduce the quantity of acid in your body and can prevent you from getting ill. It also reduces swelling by removing uric acid from your joints. 8. Aids in weight loss. Lemon juice can help you lose weight by preventing you from feeling hungry because it contains pectin fiber. 9. Aids in preventing viral infections. One of the easiest ways to decrease viral infections and ease a sore throat is to drink lemon water. It boosts your immune system and can battle infection. 10. Gives you a surge of energy. When lemon juice reaches your digestive system, it gives your body energy. Additionally, it may alleviate depression and anxiety. In fact, lemons have a calming effect even on the nervous system. Lemon juice is the simplest, largest change you can make for your health, and it has so many wonderful purposes. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe if you want to see more recipes and advice.